everybody, my name is Angela. I am from Putri Head class. Today I want to present about Indonesia and Singapore. Now I want to tell about Singapore. The Singapore country is the smallest country in Asia and the cleanest country in Asia. Singapore has a official language is English, Malaysia, and Chinese. I think Singapore is a modern country. Now I want to tell about the food. In Singapore, has many delicious food like Hainan chicken rice, laksa, and chili crab. I think if you went to Singapore, you must try Hainan chicken rice because Hainan chicken rice is the best in Singapore. Now I want to tell about the people in Singapore. The people in Singapore is hospitable and disciplined. The diversity of Singapore come from Indian, Chinese, and Malay. Next, please. Now I want to tell about Indonesia. Indonesia is archipelago country. I forget the country.
You are in Indonesia. Just how Indonesia.
In Indonesia, have one the official language. The official language in Indonesia is Indonesia, and the currency in Indonesia is Indonesian rupiah. Now I want to tell about the food. In Indonesia has many delicious food like rendang, french fries, and nasi padang. I think the delicious food in Indonesia is nasi padang because nasi padang has because in nasi padang is very rich of spices. Now I want to tell about the tourist destination. The tourist destination I choose in Bali. In Bali is tropical island. If you visit to Bali, visitor can watch the colorful traditional dance. Now I want to compare Singapore and Indonesia. I think Singapore is smaller than Indonesia, and Singapore is cleaner than Indonesia. I think Indonesia I think people in Indonesia more hospitable than Singapore. And Singapore is more canggih. Canggih is more futuristic than Indonesian. And I think the food in Indonesia is better for me. Better than Indonesia. Better than Singapore. I think that's all. Thank you.
Okay, question. First
Question.
question. In your opinion, Angela, which is better for tourists, Indonesia or Singapore?
I think to Singapore because I live in Indonesia, and in Singapore the technology is more than Indonesia.
Is what?
More than Indonesia.
It's more. What is the supporting point if you say that the tourists should visit Singapore? What is the comparison between Indonesia and Singapore in terms of tourist destination? You said that Singapore is better for tourists. Why? Give me two comparison sentences that can people think twice if they want to visit Singapore.
Because Singapore is the cleanest country. Cleaner country than
Singapore is
cleaner than Indonesia. And Singapore is more canggih tadi? Canggih. More advanced than Indonesia.
Okay. The next question is, you said that Singapore is one of the busiest cities in the world, right? And then, have you ever visited Singapore? Not yet. Okay. I want you to tell me about Jakarta as the busiest city in Indonesia. What do you think about Jakarta?
I think Jakarta is hot because the many transportation and many people in Jakarta.
What makes many people come to Jakarta?
Because in Jakarta, some product, the viral one, come to Jakarta.
Okay. One more question. As Indonesian people, what is the first thing that we need to do to fix our country so it can be better as Singapore? It is as good as Singapore. What is the first thing that we need to do? To make our country is as good as Singapore.
What is itu jangan buang sampah sembarangan.
Don't litter.
Don't We need to do litter. We need to
draw the tracks in the place, in the wrong place.
we don't need to throw the trash. And then stop. We need to stop the corruption.
Corruption. Give me 2 questions in the
Anything.
about Singapore and Indonesia related to our material.
This is you. What? You think better Indonesian or Singapore? Do you think is it is better Singapore or Indonesia?
For me, because I have never been to Singapore, my own country is Indonesia. For now, I just answer Indonesia is better than Singapore. In terms of lifestyle, because we live in Jakarta, in Bangka, the economy here is not too expensive. It is not as expensive as Jakarta even. But what if we move to Singapore? Maybe it will be more expensive.
If you visit to Singapore, what if you do?
If I visit Singapore, of course, when it comes to the first thing that I do is we could try their culinary. And second one, maybe I will visit the tourist destination there. That's it. The basic thing that people or the tourists do usually is try the culinary and the tourist destination spot. Okay? Thank you for your questions. Okay.
I think that's all. Thank you.